Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see pineapple cucumber smoothie for weight loss. This refreshing smoothie is packed with hydration and nutrients that support your weight loss journey, offering a light detoxifying treat. Ingredients: half cup pineapple, rich in bromelain, which aids digestion and helps reduce bloating. Half cucumber, full of water and fiber, great for hydration and reducing bloating. Half cup coconut water, hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, rich in vitamin C and helps in digestion. Ice cubes, optional, makes the smoothie cold and refreshing. Instructions: prepare ingredients: peel and slice the pineapple, chop the cucumber and squeeze the lime. Blend. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.